Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do the testing on the Realme GT Neo 2, whether the phone supports the Amazon Prime HD 1080 or not, and HDR is also supported or not. These are the few things which I'll try to demonstrate in this video. So right now I'm trying to use the Realme GT Neo 2, and this is a question which has been requested by few of my subscribers asking me to test this kind of demonstration on this device. So right now I do have the Amazon Prime application installed in this phone at this moment. You can clearly see here. So right now these are the default settings which I'm trying to show you exactly what kind of settings I'm trying to use. So best we got 1.82 GB per hour, as you can see. Use highest quality on the Wi-Fi and download quality, all those things. We don't require any kind of download anyway. So let me try to play a couple of videos to demonstrate what is happening with the 1080 is supporting or not HD. Right now we are getting the HD indication as well while playing the videos in the Amazon Prime. So let me try to fast forward slightly. Yes, there is HDR support. You can clearly see HDR we can actually play. Yeah, in the Amazon Prime in the Realme GT Neo 2. So no need to worry about that. So that's kind of another good thing. But I cannot find any kind of HDR support at this moment, but only HD and 1080 will be supported at this point in the Amazon Prime videos in the Realme GT Neo 2. So finally friends, this is a quick review on this Realme GT Neo 2 regarding the Amazon Prime HD, which I thought of just showing you all. So because I'm getting plenty of comments on this particular topic, that's the reason I did include. And at this moment I do not have the Netflix account to show you. That's the reason I'm not showing the Netflix account, but very soon I'll try to get the Netflix account and I'll try to show you for all. So that's friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.